Time now for a Bite of the Week. Our Bite of the Week comes from a trucker manager. She describes the drive along sections of the roadway leading to one of the company's attraction in Trelawney as a massage. Here's our Bite of the Week.
We do try to make light of the roads, the free back massage and, things on the way up, and make them understand that this is Jamaica. When you come off of those main highways, these are the local communities with the board houses and, the potholes in the road. And we call our drivers, they have PhD in driving, pothole dodgers, so I think it's part of the experience.